Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the display language on the Instagram app when using it on your PC. If your app is set to a language you don't understand, or you simply prefer using Instagram in another language, you can update it in just a few quick steps. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, take a look at the left-hand side menu. This is where you'll find all the main navigation options for your account. Next, scroll down slightly and click on the three lines located at the bottom of that left menu. This will open up additional options and give you access to more settings. From here, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Language. This is where you can control which language Instagram uses across the entire app interface. Now, click on Language, and you'll see a list of available languages. Simply browse through the list and select the language you want to switch to. As soon as you click your preferred option, Instagram will automatically update and apply the new language. That's it. Your display language is now changed, and you can continue using Instagram in the language that feels most comfortable for you. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple accounts, working in different regions, or just prefer navigating apps in your native language. If this helped you, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to get the most out of your apps.